So good morning all my dear students of class 5. This is your maths teacher and the host of this video, Ajit Haridas Mane. On the behalf of our school, Sripatra Bhosle School, Usmanabad, welcome into this online video lecture series of class 5 subject mathematics. So this is our fourth video. Now in previously three videos we are starting our third lesson, that is addition and subtraction there. So in first video we have complete the introduction of addition there. In second videos we are trying to complete here problem set number 7, and now when we had to watch our third video on this third lesson, that is in that third video we have complete the problem set number 8 that given in our textbook, that is on page number that is 11 there. So I think you had to watch this page number 11 in our textbook there. So at the topmost position on that page we have given problem set number 8. In that total, I think total 10 examples that are given there. Out of 10 examples, I think 5 examples that here I am continuing in third video, and remaining 5 examples that here I am giving as the homework to you. So I hope you have to solve all these 10 examples in your classwork notebook here. So after that, today in this fourth video we are going to continue again our same third lesson, addition and subtraction here for class 5 mathematics here. So in this video we are going to continue the introduction of word problems on addition here. So you know about the simple examples of addition there, how we can carry out the addition of two or more than two numbers in single method there. So simple examples that we introduced in the last videos. So here in this video we are going to continue these word problems given on addition process. So while solving such word problems, which precaution we had to take there, that precaution first we had to get understand, and then we are trying to continue the problem set given on this word problem here, that in our textbook on page number 11 under the title problem set number 9 there. So first we are going to continue the information about while solving the word problem, which steps we have to follow there. Those steps first we had to make understand here, and then we proceed there. So present screen that you have observed here, on that present screen here I am taking steps for solving word problems. That means when you have to solve any word problem that given on any operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication as well as division, those steps are common in all word problems here. Now this, if you look at the steps that here I am showing in this slide there, that is the first step here I am giving as a read the given word problem carefully. Now it is important while solving the given word problem to read out that problem 2 or 3 times carefully. While read out that word problem, all words you should get understand there. That's important here. So the first step if you follow carefully, then I think you made that word problem easy there. So this is your first step. You had to read out the given word problem carefully, minimum 2 times or 3 times there. After reading that word problem carefully, second step you had to follow there, that here I am continuing in the slide as find the meaning of word problem near about. Now when we had to try to catch up the meaning of that word problem, it is important the meaning of given important words into that word problem, that is into our Marathi language. That means our mother tongue is Marathi. So the meaning of those important words if you get understand, then you can easily understand that word problem there. So after that, while getting the meaning of those words, then you can easily understand the meaning of that word problem. And after catch up the nearest or near about the meaning of that word problem, we had to keep up, we had to let's watch the meaning of some important words. So when we have given the word problem on addition process, at the ending of that word problem we have given some important words and we had to put up the attention towards that word, and if you get the meaning of that word, then you can easily understand we had to carry out their addition. So at third step here I am writing in this way: while identifying addition process in word problem, pay attention towards the words like total, altogether, in all, given, at last. That means at the ending of the given word problem we have asked question there, and in that question at the last ending of that question we have given these three words there: total first, second word altogether, and third word that is in all. The meaning of all these three words is same. In Marathi the meaning of these three words is ekatrit, ekun, in this way. So these three words we should given at the ending of that word problem. So if we put up the attention towards such words, then we can easily understand in that word problem we had to carry out addition process here. So this is the somewhat important part that we had to get in mind while solving the word problem there. So after taking these steps here, now we are trying to catch up the example of word problems based on this addition process. So let's move towards next part. So in next part, so here I am coming. Now you can observe here first word problem that here I am trying to take on this addition process. So at the left side of the screen here I am taking a word problem here, a farmer. Now here I am trying to read out that word problem. A farmer bought a tractor for rupees 7,58,675 and a threshing machine for rupees 67,450. How much did he spend altogether? In this way, you had to first try to read out this given word problem minimum 2 times or more than 2. You can continue 3, 4, whenever you can get the meaning of that example. Now second step we had to follow, we had to find out some meaning of some important words. If you know about the meaning of that important words, then you can easily understand the meaning of that given word problem here. So if you look up into that example farmer, the meaning of that word in our Marathi shetkari, BOUGST. The next word bought, this is the past tense of main verb BUY. So bought, the meaning of that word खरेदी केले, घेतले, विकत घेतले या पद्धतीनं. Next word tractor. You know about the tractor there, about that. After that next word is threshing machine. The meaning of that threshing machine मळणी यंत्र. And thereafter the next word that is some simple one, how much, किती, spent, खर्च केले, altogether, एकूण. So this is the meaning of some important words into this example here. After getting the meaning of some important words, here I am getting the meaning of this example in mind. When I am taking the meaning of this example in Marathi language, that given in this way, here I am saying in our Marathi language, एका शेतकऱ्याने 7,58,675 रुपयांचे ट्रॅक्टर आणि 67,450 रुपयांचे मळणी यंत्र खरेदी केले, विकत घेतले. तर त्याने एकूण किती रुपये खर्च केले? So after catch up this meaning of this example in our Marathi language, we can understand that farmer purchase two different articles. One is tractor and other is threshing machine. So while he purchasing two articles, the cost of those articles that are given there, that means he spends such amount on those articles there. So we have to ask total rupees there altogether. So by the word here I am taking the understanding of process of addition into this example. That means after identifying the process of addition, at the right side here I am making the vertical arrangement of the given 2 rupees. So let's look at the right side of the slide here. So the bigger number, that is 7,58,675, this is a 6-digit number. So here I am making 6 columns starting from ones, second tens, third hundred, fourth thousand, fifth 10,000 and sixth it will be lakh here. Now we arrange the bigger number, that is the price or cost of tractor given there, that is 7,58,675. While arranging that number, how we can arrange, let's pay attention towards that. All digits here I am writing at a proper way. Thereafter we take plus sign, that we identify the addition process, so we take plus sign there. Thereafter we want to arrange second number, that means second number represent the cost of threshing machine there. So here the cost of threshing machine that here I am taking as 67,450 is here. So while arranging this 67,450, 67450, we arrange these 5 digits below each other. So while arranging, you can comes from opposite side also, that we explained in previously part there. So 0 we arrange below 5 in ones place, 5 we arrange below 7 in tens place, 4 we arrange in under 6 in hundred place, 7 we arrange below 8 in thousand place, 6 we arrange below 5 and in the 10,000 place. Now after making this vertical arrangement correct way, now we are starting the addition from ones place. We learnt in all previously videos there. So addition at ones place, 5 plus 0 we get 5 as it is. Thereafter addition at tens place, if we continue, that is 7 plus 5, it will be 12 there. Now 12 is a 2-digit number, so we taken 2 into the main answer and 1 taken as carry into the next addition, that is at 100 place. Thereafter next addition 6 plus 4 10, and in that 10 we make plus 1 there as a carry, we got number as 11 there. For 11 we write 1 into the answer and 1 taken as carry into the next addition. Now addition at 1000 place, so 8 plus 7 we got 15, and that 15 we make plus 1, total number we get 16. For that 16 we write there 6 we write into the answer and 1 taken as carry into the next addition. So in next addition if we moves 5 plus 6 we get 11, and in that 11 we make plus 1, we get 12 there. For that 12 we write there 2 and 1 taken as carry into the next addition. Now this is our last addition, 7 plus 1, that we get 8. So after this addition we had to complete the addition process here. So the final number that we get for this addition, 8,26,125. That means we calculate the total amount that's spent by that farmer for these 2 articles there. So it is important to complete the answer of any word problem. We make vertical arrangement for addition. This is the half part of our answer, and the half part of remaining is that after completion of the process you had to complete the answer of that word problem into full sentence. So how we can complete that full sentence? So look at the last question given into the problem. How much did he spend altogether? So in that question, the words that we have to ask question here, that two words, how much and did, these two words we remove there, and we can replace your answer, or you can try to continue the answer in this way, that here I am writing answer as a farmer spent rupees 8,26,125 altogether. Or you can remove how much did, these two words, and replace with these two words with our answer, that is rupees 8,26,125 he spent all together. In this way you can complete the answer of this first word problem that we given as an example here. So on such word problem in our textbook on page number 11 we have given there a problem set number 9. So on that, in that problem set number 9 we have given a question there, solve the following problems here. Now this problem set, now we are going to start here in the next slide. The first problem that given us in this way, that we are taking here. Now we have to trying to read out this word problem here. So let's read out the word problem. In a certain election, 13,47,048 women and 14,29,638 men cast their votes. How many votes were polled altogether? Now this is the reading of this first word problem. Now let's try to catch up the meaning of some important words here. Election, ज्याला आपण निवडणूक म्हणतो. विमेन, स्त्रिया. मेन, पुरुष. देअर, त्यांचे. वोट्स, मते. कास्ट, CAST, कास्ट, मतदान केले, मतदान करणे थोडक्यात. हाऊ मेनी, किती. वोट्स, मते. पोल्ड, रेकॉर्ड म्हणजे नोंदणी अशा पद्धतीनं. ऑल टुगेदर, एकत्रित, एकूण. So after taking the meaning of some important words there, now we are trying to catch up the meaning of this example in our Marathi. एका निवडणुकीमध्ये 13,47,048 स्त्रिया आणि 14,29,638 पुरुषांनी त्यांचे मते टाकली किंवा त्यांचं मतदान केलं. तर किती जणांनी एकूण मतदान केले असं विचारलं. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हॅव टू आस्क हाऊ मेनी टोटल पीपल कास्ट देअर वोट. टोटल नंबर वी हॅव टू आस्क. So from word altogether that given at last of this word problem, we identify the operation of addition. That's why here I am making the vertical arrangement of these two numbers given into this problem set here. So we'll look at now the vertical arrangement here. Now in vertical arrangement here I am taking 7 columns because both numbers are of 7 digit. So ones, first column, 10 second, 100 third, 1000 fourth, 10,000 fifth, lakh sixth and 10 lakh seventh there. After that we have to arrange the number of women and the number of men in those columns here. So first I am trying to write down the number of women. So while arranging the number of women, look at how we can arrange that number in proper way there. So 13,47,048. While arranging that, 8 we continues in ones, 4 into tens, 0 into 100, 7 into 1000, 4 into 10,000, 3 into lakh and 1 into 10 lakh. After that we take plus sign. Thereafter we had to arrange second number that represent number of men's there, that is 14,29,638. so while arranging that second number, we arrange opposite way. That means we starting from 8 here. 8 we arrange below 8 in ones column, we arrange 3 below 4 in tens column, 6 we arrange below 0 in hundreds column, 9 we arrange below 7 in thousands column, 2 we arrange below 4 into 10,000s column, 4 we arrange below 3 into lakh place here, and 1 we arrange below 1 into 10 lakh place. This is the proper way of vertical arrangement. After that we start addition from ones place. So look at the ones place here, that is 8 plus 8 16 we get. For that 16 we write here 6 and 1 taken as carry into the next addition. Look at the next addition, 4 plus 3, that we get 7, and in that 7 we make plus 1, so 7 plus 1 we got 8, so 8 we write into the main answer. Thereafter next addition, that is at 100 plus 0 plus 6, we get answer as 6, we write 6 into the main answer. Thereafter at thousands there, 7 plus 9 we got 16 again. For that 16 we write there 6 into the main answer and 1 taken as carry into the next addition here. Now 4 plus 2 6 we get, and in that 6 we make plus 1, that we get 7, and for that 7 we write 7 into the main answer. Thereafter at lakh place we are continuing the addition for 3 and 4, so 3 plus 4 we got 7, we write 7 into the main answer, and the last addition at 10 lakh place, that is 1 plus 1 we get 2, and that 2 we write into the main answer. So after making the last addition, that here I am getting the number as 27,76,686. so such number of people that are casting their votes all together here. So we had to complete the answer for this example here. So look at the last question of that given question. How many votes were polled all together? So in that we remove how many this question tag words, and instead of that how many word we kept our final answer, that is 27,76,686, and the next sentence we can continue as it is. So here I am taking that sentence orally. 27,76,686 votes were polled all together, or you can complete your answer in this way also. So that here I am writing under that box here. So all together 27 lakh, that is 76,686 votes were polled. So this is your first word problem that given in problem set. Now let's move towards the next word problem that here I am taking. This is serial number 2 in that problem set. Let's here I am reading that word problem, that is, what will be the sum of the smallest and the largest 6-digit numbers? Now here I am taking the meaning of some important words in our Marathi. What, kiti, काय, sum, SUM. This word stand for answer of addition, ज्याला मराठीमध्ये बेरजेचे उत्तर असं म्हटलं जातं. स्मॉलेस्ट सर्वात लहान, लार्जेस्ट सर्वात मोठी, 6 digit numbers 6 अंकी संख्या. So after getting the meaning of those words, here I am getting the meaning of this example in our Marathi. सर्वात लहान आणि सर्वात मोठ्या 6 अंकी संख्यांची बेरीज किती असेल, या पद्धतीने या उदाहरणाचा अर्थ तयार होतो. So after getting the meaning of this example, now Some student says in this word problem we have not given there, that is the we have not given there, that is the numbers here. No number given into this example. So some students says that there is no word given. So how we can continue the answer for this example? Now we have given the hint for those numbers here. So we are learning in second lesson, that is in number work, the smallest and biggest number there. Now into this example we should know who is the smallest 6-digit number, and we should know who is the largest, biggest, greatest 6-digit number. So that's why while starting the answer of this example, at the first we had to write down who is the smallest and who is the largest 6-digit number. So at the first here I am writing this, look at the left side, the smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh, and second the largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. So such two numbers we should know here. So after getting these two numbers, now we had to ask what is their sum. So we are making the addition of these two numbers here. Now here I am making arrangement of these numbers into their proper columns here. So here I am taking total 7 columns. Why I am taking 7 columns? You will be get at the completion of our answer. So first column here I am taking of ones, second tens, third hundred, fourth thousand, fifth 10,000, sixth lakh, and seventh 10 lakh. After that we arrange 1 lakh in proper way there, starting from lakh column. 1 we arrange into the lakh, and next 0 coming at proper places here. Then we take plus sign there and we arrange 9,99,999. So if you start opposite way, that is from ones place, 9 that we take below 0 in ones column. In tens column there is also we take 9 below 0. In hundreds column we take 9 below 0. In thousand column we take 9 under 0 there. In thousands column we take 9 below 0, and in lakh place 9 we take below 1 there. After making this proper vertical arrangement, we start this addition from ones place here. Starting at ones place, let's pay attention towards that ones place here. 0 plus 9 we get final answer as 9 there. Thereafter tens place 0 plus 9 we get 9. In 100 plus 0 plus 9 we get 9. 1000 plus 0 plus 9 we get 9. At 10,000 plus, that here I am taking 0 plus 9 as 9. And if we continue at 10 lakh plus there, 1 plus 9 we get answer as 10. So while arranging 10 we need to take 7 place there. So that's why here I am taking the 7 place into this example in vertical arrangement. So we got the final answer as 10,99,999. So this is our final answer. So we are completing the answer in this way, that here I am writing at left side corner. Answer: the sum of the smallest and the largest 6-digit numbers is 10,99,999. So this is your second word problem into our problem set here. After that we are moving towards next word problem given in our problem set. So this is fourth. Here I am taking serial number 4. The third problem that here I am lefting in front of you at the last. So look at this fourth word problem given in our textbook. Here I am reading of that word problem in this way. A textile mill produced 17,24,938 meters of cloth last year and 23,47,056 meters this year. What was the total production for the 2 years here? Now we are trying to catch up the meaning of some important words in Marathi. Textile mill, Sutgirni. Produced, तयार केले, निर्माण केले. Cloth, कापड, कपडा. Last year, गेल्या वर्षी, मागील वर्षी. Now there is small m used in front of that given two numbers. Small m represent here meter. Meter, it is the unit to measure the length. लांबी मोजण्याचं मीटर हे एक एकक आहे, त्याच्यासाठी आपण स्मॉल एम वापरतो. दिस इयर, चालू वर्षी, या वर्षी. आफ्टर दॅट टोटल प्रोडक्शन, एकूण उत्पादन फॉर द 2 years, 2 वर्षांसाठी. So this is the meaning of important words into this word problem. After that, we are taking the meaning of this example in our Marathi language. एका सूतगिरणीमध्ये गेल्या वर्षी 17,24,938 मीटर कापड आणि चालू वर्षी 23,47,056 मीटर कापड तयार झाले. तर 2 वर्षांमध्ये मिळून किती उत्पादन झाले? नाव हिअर आय एम मूव्हिंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. तर 2 वर्षांमध्ये किती कापड तयार झालं असं विचारलं आहे. सो टोटल क्वांटिटी इन 2 years वी हॅड टू आस्क हिअर. सो टोटल क्वांटिटी दॅट वी हॅड टू आस्क, सो दॅट्स वाय वी हॅड टू मेक आउट द ॲडिशन ऑफ दिस 2 meters into this vertical arrangement here. So here I am trying to continue the vertical arrangement at the left side. So look at the vertical arrangement of these two numbers. Here I am using 7 column because both numbers are given of 7 digits. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Such 7 columns here I am using. Now first number we arrange there, 17,24,938. So we arrange 8 in ones, 3 into tens, 9 into 100, 4 into 1,000, 2 into 10,000, 7 into lakh and 1 into 10 lakh. After arranging that first number, we take plus sign there and we have to arrange second number. So while arranging second number, we start opposite way. So starting from ones place 6, we arrange below 8 there. In tens column we arrange 5 below 3. In hundreds column we arrange 0 below 9. In thousands column we arrange 7 below 4. In 10,000 place we arrange 4 below 2. In lakh place we arrange 3 below 7, and at 10 lakh place we arrange 2 below 1. So this is the proper vertical arrangement that you have to do there. So after making this proper vertical arrangement, we start addition from ones place. So look at the ones place there. 8 plus 6, we got 14. So for that 14 we write 4 into the main answer, 1 taken as carry into the next addition. So there 3 plus 5 we get 8 and we make carry plus 1 there. 8 plus 1 we got 9. 9 we write into the main answer. Thereafter at 100 plus 9 plus 0 we got answer 9, we write into the main answer. Now at 1000, 4 plus 7 we got 11. For 11 we write 1 into the main answer, and next one we taken as a carry into the addition, that is at 10,000 place. So at 10,000 place 2 plus 4 we got 6 and we make plus 1 in that. So 6 plus 1, or you can 1 plus 6 there as 7, and 7 we write into the main answer. Thereafter at lakh place 7 plus 3 we get 10. For that 10 we write 0 into the main answer and 1 taken as carry into the 10 lakh place there. So at 10 lakh place 1 plus 2 we get 3 first, and in that 3 we make plus 1. So 3 plus 1 we got 4, we write 4 into the main answer. So after completion of addition we got answer as 40,71,994. So this is the production of total cloth in 2 years in that textile mill. So we had to try to complete the full sentence answer for this word problem here. So here look at the last question given into the main example. What was the total production of 2 years? So in that question we remove what, this word, and instead of that what we kept our answer. So please let's keep in mind the answer that we calculate, it has the unit meter. It is important here. So instead of what, here I am putting the word number as 40,71,994 m. M means meter, and the next rest of the sentence we complete as it is. That is was 40,71,994 meter was the total production for the 2 years. So this is the answer for our fourth example given in our problem set. Now let's try to continue the next word problem, that is serial number 5 given in our textbook in problem set number 8, sorry, problem set number 9 there. So we are trying to read out this fifth word problem. If the government gave rupees 34,62,950 worth of computers and rupees 3,26,578 worth of TV sets to schools, what is the total amount spent on this equipments? Question mark. Now let's try to catch up the meaning of some important words. Government, Rajya Sarkar, Rajya Shasan. Gave, this is also past tense of main verb give. Now gave याचा अर्थ दिले या पद्धतीनं. Thereafter worth, च्या किमतीचे, एवढ्या किमतीचे असं त्याचा अर्थ होतो. कॉम्प्युटर्स, संगणक माहीत आहेत सर्वांना. त्यानंतर वर्थ, च्या किमतीचे. टी व्ही सेट्स, जे आपले टी व्ही, घरातला जो टी व्ही आहे त्या पद्धतीचा. टू स्कूल्स, शाळेला, शाळांना असा त्याचा अर्थ होतो. व्हॉट, किती, काय. टोटल अमाऊंट, एकूण रक्कम. स्पेंट, खर्च केले. ऑन दिस, या. इक्विपमेंट्स, उपकरणे या पद्धतीने किंवा शैक्षणिक साहित्य. Now after getting the meaning of some important words into this problem set, now we are trying to get up the meaning of this example in our Marathi language in this way. राज्य सरकारने शाळांना 34,62,950 रुपये किमतीचे कॉम्प्युटर्स आणि 3,26,578 रुपये किमतीचे टी व्ही सेट्स दिले. तर या सर्व उपकरणांवरती किंवा या दोन्ही शैक्षणिक साहित्यांवरती त्यांनी एकूण किती रुपये खर्च केले. Now you can get the meaning of this example. तर या ठिकाणी एकूण रुपये आपल्याला विचारलेत. In this question we have asked total rupees. So while calculating the total rupees here, it is important to try to take the addition of this given 2 rupees. So that's why here I am taking the addition process. Now look at the vertical method. In vertical method for addition here I am taking 7 columns. Why here I am taking 7 columns? Because the first number given, it is of 7 digited. So 7 columns, that is first 1, second tens, third 100, 4,000, 15,000, 6 lakh, and 7th it will be 10 lakh. So we have to arrange these two numbers into this column by proper way. So we arrange first number there, 34,62,950. So we arrange 0 into ones column, 5 into tens, 9 into 100, 2 into thousands, 6 into 10,000, 4 into lakh, and 3 we arrange into 10 lakh column. Thereafter we take plus sign and we want to arrange second number there, that is 3,26,578. So in that 8 we arrange into 1's column, that is below 0. 7 we arrange below 5 into 10's column. 5 we arrange below 9 into 100's column. 6 we arrange below 2 into 1000's column. 2 arrange below 6 into 10,000's column. We arrange 3 below 4 into lakhs column, and there is no digit under 3. Now after arranging these two numbers in vertical method, we start addition from 1's place. So 0 plus 8 we got 8. Thereafter at 10's place, 5 plus we get 12. So for that 12 we write 2 into the main answer and 1 taken as carry into the next addition. Now 9 plus 5, that should be 14, and 14 plus 1 we got 15. Now that 15 we write 5 into the main answer and 1 taken as carry into the next addition. So in thousands column, 2 plus 6 we get 8, and 8 plus 1 we got 9 as a main answer there. Thereafter at 10,000 place, 6 plus 2 we got 8. At lakh place, 4 plus 3 we got 7, and at 10 lakh place we write 3 as it is into the main answer. So final answer we get here 37,89,528. So these are total rupees spent by our government on this equipment here. So we are trying to complete your answer. So look at the last question given into the our problem set, that is what is the total amount spent on this equipments. So in this last question we remove what this word and we kept our answer. Now let's keep in mind the final answer that we calculate, these are rupees, so we attach rupees to that number and we complete our answer. In this way, rupees 37,89,528 is the total amount spent on this equipments here. So this is the mini example, fifth example, its answer. So after this, one example that here I am not solving into this video, so I think you will be get the idea of that example here. So in your problem set there, third example that given us, that here I am lefting as a homework for you. Now that word problem you have to solve yourself as a homework. Now that third problem set just here I am reading at the ending of this our fourth video, and that word problem in this way: if Surekha Tai bought a tractor for rupees 8,07,957 and a thresher for rupees 32,609, how much money did she spend all together? I think some clever students get the idea for this example. So the first example that I am taking as an example after explaining the steps for addition, by same that word problem, this word problem given in our textbook. So by keeping those mind, you have to solve that word problem in your classwork notebook. So at the ending of this video, here I am saying that we complete these examples in this video. Now it is important to complete these examples in your classwork notebook by observing this video, and I hope so you will be understand these word problems on addition here. So in this video we are trying to stop here. In next video we are taking the introduction of our second basic operation, that is on subtraction here. So till we have to stop